Welcome to Southern Accent Foods. Today I'm showing you an easy recipe for scalloped potatoes or potato gratin. This is an adaptation of the Edna recipe for potato casserole, and they are the most potatoey tasting potatoes you'll ever potato. Start with some type of baking dish. I got this one in France, but you can use any nationality. You could also use a 9x13, but you might need to smurf a few more potatoes to fill it up. Get yourself a clove of garlic and cut it in half. Rub the baking dish with the cut garlic in no uncertain manner. The object is to basically smash the garlic into the dish and infuse the flavor. It's totally cool if there are bits of garlic scattered in the dish. In fact, that's what you want. For the potatoes, I'm using Yukon Gold. I only started using these recently, but I'm a total convert. Russet potatoes are also great, but if you can find Yukon Golds, give them a go. Using a mandolin or a sharp knife, slice the potatoes about 1/4 inch thick. This is a little thicker than what you might see in a French gratin, but I like the texture and appearance of the finished product better with thicker slices. If you like the top to go a little crispier and go wavy, slice them thinner. Always use the guard for your mandolin. Get your sliced potatoes into a large bowl, pour in 2 ounces or 4 tablespoons of melted butter, then season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and optionally some cayenne. I can barely cook without cayenne. You could also add any type of fresh chopped herbs you like. Thyme and or rosemary work great. Stir everything together to coat the potatoes with the butter. Layer the potatoes in your baking dish. I like to keep the bottom layers flat and then overlap the top layer to give it that scalloped effect. Pour in 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of chicken stock or vegetable broth. Either one works great. Feel free to add some more black pepper on top if it suits you. Cover the dish and put it into the center of a 425 Fahrenheit oven. That's 220 degrees Celsius, and cook for 45 minutes. Uncover and finish cooking until the liquid is absorbed, about 30 to 40 more minutes. While you're waiting, go ahead and click that like button so more people can see this video. And that's all there is to it. Try those Yukon Golds if you can. Garnish with some chives or parsley and serve right away. This can be made ahead and reheated when you're ready to serve. What a great easy side dish for any time of the year. Thanks for watching, and check out another one of my videos here.